You're thinking of switching banks. Maybe you're tired of fees, poor customer service, or just want something fresher. You've heard of Relay Bank, but you're wondering, who's out there competing with these guys? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Relay Bank and its rivals. Introducing the Challenger Bank. Let's start with Relay Bank itself. It's a digital-first bank that's shaking up the traditional banking industry. With its sleek app, no hidden fees, and focus on customer experience, Relay has managed to capture the attention of a lot of people. But is it the only game in town? Absolutely not. The rise of digital banking. The banking world is undergoing a massive transformation. Traditional banks are struggling to keep up with the rapid pace of technological advancements. This has created a golden opportunity for a new breed of banks, digital-only banks. These challengers are offering a fresh perspective on banking, focusing on simplicity, convenience, and often, better deals. Relay's main competitors. Now, let's talk about Relay's main competitors. There are a few key players in this space, each with its unique strengths and target audience. The tech giants, companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon are entering the financial services game. They're leveraging their massive user base and technological prowess to offer banking products. While they might not be full-fledged banks yet, they're definitely players to watch. Established fintech companies have been disrupting the financial industry for years. Names like Revolut, Monzo, and Chime have become household names. They offer a wide range of financial services, from money transfers to investing. Neobanks, these are digital-only banks that focus on a specific niche. For example, some neobanks cater to freelancers, while others specialize in business banking. Traditional banks with digital offerings, even traditional banks are getting in on the action. They're launching digital-only subsidiaries or investing heavily in their mobile apps to compete with the new kids on the block. Comparing the players. When comparing Relay Bank to its competitors, several factors come into play. Features: what services do they offer? Do they offer free transfers, savings accounts, overdrafts, or investing options? Fees: are there any hidden fees? What are the charges for ATM withdrawals, foreign transactions, or account maintenance? Customer experience: how easy is it to use their app? How responsive is their customer support? Target audience: who are they trying to attract? Are they focused on millennials, small businesses, or a broader market? The future of banking. The banking industry is evolving rapidly. Partnerships, acquisitions, and new technologies are changing the landscape. It's an exciting time to be a customer, as competition drives innovation and better deals. Conclusion. So, who are Relay Bank's competitors? The answer is, it's a crowded field with new players emerging all the time. The key is to find a bank that aligns with your needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize low fees, advanced features, or exceptional customer service, there's a bank out there for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.